Don't let her do the intro.
Hey guys, it's Rayleigh back with another video, and today we are at the funeral service for Uncle Tony, and yeah.
Right.
The last time we did it over there, but we didn't get back. No, because the last time for my mom's funeral, we didn't.
You want to get your breakfast done? Your donut?
Yeah.
Go get it.
$1 I will.
I remember when I Oreo, I dropped out of the floor and then
I smelled the donut from your breath.
Only donut. I didn't get a sandwich today.
Like they're on the phone with like.
I think I would be a computer program because they gave me two choices. Electrical engineer.
Why are you like opposite?
I couldn't even understand that.
It's AP Chem. Did you take AP Chem?
Yeah, I did already.
Don't sit next to me.
And I know skip the bed. I work for Google.
You need any help, Boping?
I think maybe just this one. I'll leave those for extra, just in case. Or
Okay.
maybe we have enough.
Hey guys!
You get one? How old are you now? 16, 17. How old are you? Damn! How old are you, really? Damn, one more year, you're out. One more year, that's it. I'm responsible for one more year. You draw the plan. Right, how old are you, right? How old are you? Damn. Elevation, how high. Same age as I thought you older than Ryan.
We do it ourselves. We just do our internal design. We're disciplined.
What wife? What are you talking about? Do I see? Do I have anything? Do I have anything? See? Don't send that over. Yeah. It's expensive.
You have to be there first.
I know. It's very
I was there in
expensive.
1996. And I'm at the fork, I didn't know what's going on. If I have choice, I go back, I stay there.
Yeah, food? But you grow faster because there's a Silicon Valley. Yeah, it's a tech.
The technology.
Hello.
Ôi, bằng ri ăn phật luôn anh.
Ở đây.
Ri mau mà plate nó, wow.
Ready?
Ba. Bánh ao này terang á.
Ớt.
Mình mà khả năng tệ.
Nó khôi mất cho bác hết.
Oh, sorry.
Mau mua cái ai?
Lên cheese.
Mau crab home.
Lên cheese. អស់ហើយឥឡូវយើងគ្នាយើងតែខ្ញុំថេកឲ្យខ្ញុំថេកឲ្យជោគណា
ចូលខំមក
Find some place to.
Anh dương mà chụp kia là vậy chụp riêng chi vật của bác tôi đi sợ sẽ ái này bác quả khổ được tết không biết rõ thế nào you could do more great things. Anyway, sorry, my mind and lens is starting to so many things to do Tony. Và cái đám này miền rụi hái, quan ta chỉ sầm rạp nông chỉ về một khoản có chỉ còn tí bấy bỏ mà cái sữa nâng này lại là cả nơi thì mấy khoản là bia hái là bớt tiền này khám tới trong các đòi lên đòi giúp miền ngày mỗi một trả lời với cả các anh nó khám hai bên hà vì ở hiện to ba mỗi cái thì có mấy nước bây giờ mình bán khám bị bán này hỏi tớ với khám bị đặt cái nó đi tập miền cồn về cả việc cồn bây giờ mà mình chưa cùng học về để việc khám hai đó tên là chỉ nói là thôi bộ quạt đó bộ những bách này ó hết quạt luôn quạt tới nâng cái lúc chỉ mỗi cổ không bị xinh để tới dưới cái chân đây đó là bây là trên vì apple màu bánh miền nón kia màu chụp dương tới bạn trên mà nón kia màu bộ ba màu dương mà chỉ rụng hai bán trên màu mà đây mà đó là một tiết bây giờ cũng không ai tập teenager trừ riêng phía xa trừ sẽ đọc bổng đai hay là kịch cũng bị đường nào bật luôn ai về nắng bây giờ cô và thà đã để đợi bây try to fit in đoàn chân tới bây giờ rebel class hai sầm nào ở ban từ chụp nâng hành áo cho bụi mệt phẹt hai mệt phẹt nâng có nóm kia oi về nã sài khát từ có mấy nâng ba hai triệu đào nơi nằm cái nọ hai cái đó anh có mình có riêng trong high school có làm từ thời cả năm possible ហើយមើលទៅដោយអត់ចូលចិត្តគេគៀបសង្កត់ទេគាត់ក៏ដើរលេងខ្លះហើយបានទៅជួប CC មានកូនស្រី2នាក់ហើយមានកូនស្រីមានកូនច្បងនោះបានមានចៅមួយហើយមានកូនមួយហើយគាត់គាត់បកាយវាវៃរឿងលេខតាអី អត់បានទៅរៀនខាង construction ទេប៉ុន្តែទៅធ្វើការជាមួយគេទៅចេះទាំងអស់ចេះមើលប្លង់ចេះធ្វើភ្លើងចេះអ្វីៗគ្រប់សពហើយគាត់ធ្វើការបានល្អមានអ្នកដែលចូលចិត្តគាត់ច្រើនគ្នា and so he built up a lot of អ្នកត្រូវការជួសជុលអីចឹងដូចខ្ញុំអីចឹងជួនកាលឲ្យគាត់មកជួយធ្វើនេះធ្វើនោះឥឡូវអត់ពីគាត់ទៅខ្វះដៃស្ដាំមួយដែរណាយ៉ាហើយគាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមឈឺតាំងពីឆ្នាំ2017ហើយគាត់ try to fight it and then he did pretty good he lasted almost 8 years and គាត់ធ្វើការរហូតទៅដល់ the last 2 ខែក្រោយនេះគាត់ចាប់ផ្ដើមឈឺធ្ងន់ហើយគាត់មិនដែលឈប់ទេទៅនៅទៅរហូតចេញពីទៅពេទ្យហើយមកធ្វើការទៀតហើយ2 ខែចុងក្រោយនេះគាត់ដើរលេងរួចទៅគាត់យល់ថាគាត់មើលទៅចប់ហើយតែគាត់នៅតែខំប្រឹងគួរឲ្យសោកស្ដាយដែលគាត់នៅក្មេងសោះហើយខូចចឹង so ពួកយើងនឹងនឹកអាណិតស្រឡំសំណោះឡំហើយសង្ឃឹមថាសូមជូនពរគាត់ឲ្យទៅការចេតនាឲ្យបានសុខភាពល្អមានការចេះដឹងទៅរៀនសូត្រឲ្យបានច្រើនហើយនៅមានមិត្តភ័ក្តិច្រើនទៅឥឡូវនេះចឹងសូមអរគុណឥឡូវនេះឲ្យដល់និយាយតដល់នេះជាកូនទី2របស់ធំអរគុណ
Speak in Tamil.
No. Okay. Hello everyone, thank you for coming. So as I was growing up, I always thought my dad was the smartest and strongest person that I knew. He was the person that I went to when things were broken or didn't work because he always knew how to fix it. And if he didn't, he would secretly just buy me a new one. But as all of you know, my dad was sick since 2017. And over the years, I watched him start to struggle with things that were super easy for him before. When we went to the grocery store, he would get everything in one trip, then it started 2, then 3, then it was my job, and he just couldn't do it anymore. But even though he lost his physical strength, he never lost his fighting spirit, and he stayed the same goofy person that he always was. One of my favorite memories is when I was a kid, he would always kill spiders for me, and then he would pretend to get bitten and chase me around the house as he was Spider-Man shooting spider webs. And he wasn't the most emotional person, but he always showed love to our family in like their own way. Whenever he knew I liked certain snacks or drinks, he would buy them and hide them in the house. And then when I found them, he would just start giggling, and he pretended, he's like, how did I get there? And then he would do that for me, my sister, and my mom. And if I was going through a hard time, he wouldn't try to talk to me about it, but he would invite me out to watch a movie and eat. And as I was going through his phone to find pictures for today, I saw that he took a picture of me at like every dinner since 2015. And I've been bites, so they're kind of ugly, but it's okay. I'm really touched to see that he wanted to save all these little memories of us together. So I do wish we had more time together, but I know that they will stay with me forever. So I just want to say thank you to my dad for everything that he did, and then thank you all for coming.
Let's invite on Bay.
Would you like to come up?
Mạng chu mạng chia mong ốtទាំងអស់ដែលបានអញ្ជើញមកចូលដំណើរធូនីផងមកនេះជាដំណើរចុងក្រោយនៅលើលោកនេះត តូនេះនឹងដូចប្រាប់ពុនរីបានហើយអាពុកឈ្មោះលោកកៅសុំធម្មតាឈ្មោះឡាយដាងរៀនកាលមកពីកុមារខ្ញុំនិយាយពីរឿងការរបស់ខ្ញុំទីចុះពួកគាត់លពើទៅមែនតែថាកងខ្ញុំកងឡាយបានគាត់ស្រឡាញ់គាត់ឃើញវាឆ្លាតប្រកែនេះប្រកែអីថ្ងៃមួយនៅក្នុងផ្ទះដែលនៅពោធិ៍សាត់ហ្នឹងគេថាគាត់ការពោធិ៍សាត់ខេត្តពោធិ៍សាត់ក្រុងខេត្តពោធិ៍សាត់នៅផ្ទះហ្នឹងគេថាផ្ទះកន្លែងដល់ពេលខេត្តនៅទឹកភាសាគេថាផ្ទះហ្នឹងលេងនៅខាងក្រៅវាបឹងក្លោងមួយគាត់កងឡាយមកពេលគាត់បើកទ្វារខាងក្រៅផ្ទះទ្វារក្រោយហ្នឹងក្នុងផ្ទះហ្នឹងវាអត់មានសេដាទេខាងក្រៅហ្នឹងណាស្រាប់អាចៅប្រុសគាត់ដែលទីស្រឡាញ់របស់គាត់ណាសាប់ទៅវិញវារត់ទៅផ្ទះបាយទុកធ្លាក់ចូលក្នុងទឹកត្រង់វិញកងនោះក៏មកមកបរិយហោះអត្តកអហ្នឹងទៅស្រង់ចោលពេលហ្នឹងវាហ្នឹងថាក្រោកឡើងវាអត់យំទេស្លាប់តាមអត់យំតាមខ្ញុំនៅអង្គុយមើលមកក្បែរក្រោកឡើងអត់យំហើយវាបន្ទោកងទៀតឃើញវារត់ហើយពេលក៏កងចាប់វាហើយកងនោះក៏សើចអាចៅទីអត់ទេវាមកបន្ទោអីនៅសងថាអាយគឺវាថាខ្ពស់បន្ថយអាមកណាពីការរបស់បាទហើយដូចពុនរីមានបាននិយាយមិនចឹងថាស្អីក៏ដោយក្នុងថាគាត់មើលទៅមកតែគាត់ចេះគាត់ធ្វើបានស្អីក៏ដោយវាថាយើងពឹងគាត់ទៅធ្វើស្អីទៅគាត់ថារបស់នេះខូចហើយចូលគាត់អាចធ្វើបានមិនសិនគាត់ពីកណ្ដាលធ្វើបានចឹងមិនថានិយាយពីសម័យប៉ុលពតអីហ្នឹងដូចគុណរីបាននិយាយអស់ហើយខ្ញុំមានតែចិត្តឯងហើយចុងក្រោយនេះគឺថាសូមអរគុណដល់បងប្អូនដែលបានជួយមកថាដើម្បីជួយតម្លៃទីចុងក្រោយរបស់អ្នកដូចគេបានជួយតម្លៃទីចុងក្រោយនៅពេលនេះឥឡូវហ្នឹងខ្ញុំមិនយ៉ាងណាខាងសូមអរគុណប៉ុណ្ណឹងអរគុណហើយអរគុណទៀតដែលបានជួយតម្លៃបងប្អូនក្នុងវេលាចុងក្រោយនេះថាសូមឲ្យលោកទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងជឿទៅនឹងសុខភាពល្អអាយុវែងដល់ឆ្នាំមួយគឺថាសំខាន់បំផុតគឺសុខភាពទាំងអស់នេះតែមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងសូមអរគុណច្រើនបាទជាដំបូងខ្ញុំសូមថ្លែងសូមគ្រប់និងសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណដល់បងប្អូនគុណមួយគ្រួសាររបស់យើងខ្ញុំសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណអស់ពីទូចិត្តបាទហើយបន្ទាប់មកខ្ញុំសូមរៀបរាប់បន្តិចពីគ្រប់គ្រួសាររបស់យើងខ្ញុំទី1បងសយពេលស៊ីវគឺជាបងធំរបស់យើងខ្ញុំទាំងអស់គ្នាហើយបងពេលស៊ីវគឺជាកូនធัวរបស់ប៉ាម៉ាក់កៅសឹមនិងម៉ាក់ឡាយណាហៀងហើយគាត់ក៏ជាក្មួយបង្កើតរបស់អ្នកទាំងពីរដែរហើយបងពេលស៊ីវនេះក៏ជាអ្នកគឺជាអ្នកមានគុណបំផុតចំពោះខ្ញុំម្នាក់ទៀតដែរក្រៅពីឪពុកម្ដាយពីព្រោះអីមានថ្ងៃមួយក្នុងឆ្នាំអារ៉ោន70 ប្លាយគឺបានគាត់ទៅហើយជួយស្រោចស្រង់ជីវិតរបស់ខ្ញុំពីព្រោះអីខ្ញុំបាន almost លងទឹកស្ទឹងនៅក្នុងខេត្តពោធិ៍សាត់បើសិនបើគាត់គ្មានគាត់នៅពេលនោះទេខ្ញុំប្រកាសជាមិនមានពេលវេលាដូចថ្ងៃនេះទេបាទហើយទី2គឺខ្ញុំបាទខ្លួនឯងឈ្មោះកែវពុនរីហៅពុនបាទហើយបន្ទាប់មកគឺពុនរីហៅរី still single till សប្តាហ៍ដោយសារប៉ាម៉ាក់សិតអ្នកជំងឺរហូត4នាក់ហើយក្នុងរយៈពេលប្រហែលឆ្នាំនេះបាទហើយបន្ទាប់មកទៀតគឺពុនរុនកែវហើយហៅ Aaron is right here Tony sorry Tony ហើយបន្ទាប់ពី Tony ទៅពុនរឿងហៅ Aaron បន្ទាប់ពី Aaron ទៅគឺពេញបូរមីហៅពេញហើយហៅពេញហ្នឹងប៉ាដាក់ឈ្មោះឲ្យវាដោយសារវាកើតខែពេញបោកថ្ងៃពេញបោកហើយបន្ទាប់ពីហ្នឹងទៅគឺពីបារាំងកែវហៅភាពហើយ the reason សិនគាត់ដាក់ឈ្មោះពីបារាណនេះដោយសារចំនួនហ្នឹងយើង75អពតចូលលេងមានឡានជាគឺជាអតេះគោម្ដងបានជាដាក់ឈ្មោះវាពីបារាណហើយបន្ទាប់នេះទៅខ្ញុំសូមរៀបរាប់បន្តិចពីពលរដ្ឋក្នុងវ័យកុមារអានឹងឆ្លាតដូចរីពេងដូចអានេះបានរៀបរាប់ហើយគឺវាឆ្លាតជាងកុមារដែលស្មើភាពគ្នាបាទគឺថាមិនបាច់ខំរៀនប្រមាណទេអានេះថាឆ្លាតហ្មងហើយបន្ទាប់ពីនេះមកខ្ញុំចាំក្នុងឆ្នាំយើងរួចអពតហើយដូច79ទៅអូដូចម៉ាច់79ចឹង79វាចេះបេកបើមិនទេបានចូលទៅក្នុងភូមិបានពួកយួនទាហានយួនអីហ្នឹងវាជួយវាចូលទៅចេះបានបោះកង់អឹមសង្ត្រីយកមកប្រើការចំនួនហ្នឹងយើងមានកង់មានអតេះមានអីហ្នឹងហាក់ដូចជាមានឡាន Lexus អីនៅក្នុង family អញ្ចឹងដូច្នេះវាបានដោះកង់បានប្រហែលគូយកមកឲ្យខ្ញុំចំនួនហ្នឹងគេចូលចិត្តដែរខាងគ្រឿងខ្ចៅខ្ចងហ្នឹងក៏បានចាប់ផ្ដើមធ្វើបានអតេះរុញអតេះរុញចំនួនហ្នឹងដូចកង់អឹមសំត្រីអីហ្នឹងមានបដាងមានអីត្រឹមត្រូវហ្នឹងគឺថាយើងអាចដាក់ស្រូវបាន4 10បាវអីរុញយ៉ាងស្រួលដូច្នេះនៅពេលហ្នឹងហាក់ដូចជាមាន Lexus មួយយ៉ាងធំនៅក្នុងក្រុមគ្រួសារហើយរហូតដល់មានគេចង់ដូរគោម្នឹងសម្រាប់តេះមួយអីចឹងនៅពេលហ្នឹងគឺថាអាមួយនេះឆ្លាតនឹងសំហៅវាអាចទៅយកកង់នឹងបានមកសម្រាប់នៅក្នុងគ្រួសារហើយបន្តមកទៀតបានមកដល់អាមេរិកចំពោះខ្ញុំចូលទៅរៀនសាលា International Trade School រៀន Trade School ចំនួនហ្នឹងយើង83អីហ្នឹងគឺថាវាមិនមែនដូចឥឡូវនេះទេវាពិបាកដែរអង់គ្លេសក៏មិនជាណាហើយម្ល៉េះហើយខំរៀនបានខ្ញុំរៀនបានត្រឹមតែ diploma ទេធ្វើបានប៉ុន្តែចំពោះវាវិញវាទៅរៀនជាមួយខ្ញុំដែរនៅសាលា school ហ្នឹងវាអាចរៀនបានរហូតដល់ AS degree ធ្វើបានដូច្នេះវាឆ្លាតហើយបន្ទាប់ពីហ្នឹងមកប៉ុន្តែវាមិនយកមុខវិជ្ជាហ្នឹងទេវាមកធ្វើជាផ្ទះទៅវិញវាជួយចិត្តជាផ្ទះហើយខ្ញុំឃើញវាឆ្លាតជាពិសេសជាងផ្ទះហ្នឹងវាអាចធ្វើតភ្លើងបានគ្រប់សពបែបយ៉ាងហើយវាស៊ូទ្រាំដូចអត់មានទរុនអត់មានចេះត្អូញត្អែអីទេរហូតដល់ថ្ងៃវាឈឺលែងធ្វើការបានវាក្រោកដើរលែងរួចអានឹងបានវាឈប់អានឹងជីវិតត្រួសរបស់វាហើយបន្ទាប់ពីនេះទៅខ្ញុំទាំងសូមថ្លែងអំណរគុណម្ដងទៀតយ៉ាងជ្រាលជ្រៅអស់ពីដួងចិត្តក្នុងនាមក្រុមគ្រួសារដែលអស់លោកទាំងអស់បានមកជួយរំលែកទុក្ខហើយបន្ទាប់ពីនេះខ្ញុំនឹងចង់អានកំណាព្យមួយបទដែលឲ្យអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាស្ដាប់អូខេកំណាព្យមួយបទនេះដែលមានចំណងជើងថាខ្ញុំមិននិតត្រាទេបានន័យថាខ្ញុំមិនបានគេលុះទេកុំឈរក្បែរខ្លួនខ្ញុំហើយខ្សឹកសួរអីខ្ញុំមិននៅទីនេះខ្ញុំមិននិត្រាទេខ្ញុំជាវិយោរស័តទៅហើយខ្ញុំជាពេជ្រភ្លឺផ្លេកលើវាលទឹកកកខ្ញុំជាពលឺព្រះអាទិត្យចាំងលើវាលស្រែស្រូវខ្ញុំជាភ្លៀងដ៏ស្រទន់នាទសរដូវកាលណាអ្នកភ្ញាក់នៅពេលព្រឹកស្ងាត់ខ្ញុំបានស្ទុះយ៉ាងប្រញាប់ខ្ញុំចំណោមបាក់សៃហើទាំងហ្វូមខ្ញុំជារស្មីតារានារាត្រីដ៏ស្រទន់កុំឈរក្បែររូបខ្ញុំហើយយំសោកអីខ្ញុំមិននៅទីនេះទេខ្ញុំជាអមតៈអរគុណ
ខ្ញុំជាអូនពុនរុនពៅនេះជាបងខ្ញុំពៅនេះជាអាយុ4ឆ្នាំជាបងខ្ញុំខ្ញុំចង់រាយរាប់ថាតាំងពីនៅក្មេងបូជំនាន់ពេលខ្ញុំចាំកាលខ្ញុំនៅក្មេងពៅហ្នឹងបានមិនសូវ ដើរលេងជាមួយខ្ញុំប្រហែលទេមកពីគាត់ជំនាន់ពោតហ្នឹងក៏បែកគ្នាដែរទៅសូបងខ្ញុំតាមជំនាន់ខ្ញុំចាំហ្នឹងចាំគាត់មែនតើគាត់ជួយខ្ញុំច្រើនណាស់ដែរជំនាន់ដូចនៅស្រុកថៃហើយទៅដើរលេងដូចបងស្រីខ្ញុំបងប្រុសខ្ញុំនិយាយអញ្ចឹងថាគាត់ឆ្លាតណាស់ពីរឿងដូចលេងបាល់លេងកាស៊ីណូអីហ្នឹងគាត់ហើយទៅដូចខ្ញុំនេះឥឡូវនេះដូចចេះតាមគាត់ដែរទៅព្រោះថាថ្ងៃណាកាស៊ីណូកាស៊ីនេះជឿទៅសួរទៅបងចំណាទៅដឹងហើយមិនចាំហៅ2ដងទេហៅតែម្ដងទៅហើយមិនចាំហៅ2ដងទេតែហៅជាមួយទៅផ្ទះហ្នឹងហើយពេលធូនីហ្នឹងវេទនាណាស់តាំងពីដែលខ្ញុំស្គាល់ទៅមកពីយើងគាត់4ឆ្នាំពីខ្ញុំទៅក៏យើងមិនសូវបានដើរលេងជាមួយគ្នាប្រហែលដែរហើយយើងមកដល់ស្រុកអាកាំងក៏មិននេះដែរមកពីយើងវាមិនសូវមានលុយមិនសូវមានអីក៏ដើររើសតែកំប៉ុងទេដែលខ្ញុំចាំគាត់នោះហើយដើររើសកំប៉ុង2នាក់ទៅជីកបោះទៅលក់ទៅសម័យពួកខ្ញុំមកដល់ស្រុកអាកាំងវេទនាណាស់មិនមែនស្រួលដូចសម័យឥឡូវនេះទេហើយនៅផ្ទះក៏នេះដែរដេកពៅនឹងខ្ញុំនឹងដេកនៅតែសូហ្វាទេបងគេដេកនៅបន្ទប់អស់ហើយហ្នឹងហើយគេដេកបន្ទប់អស់ហើយទៅយើងក៏ដេកនៅសូហ្វាអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយទៅពេលគាត់ក៏រៀនខាងឡានជាមួយជប៉ុនអញ្ចឹងទៅហើយទៅខ្ញុំក៏ធំទៀតទៅប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំភ្លេចទៅពីរឿងគាត់ចេញពីផ្ទះទៅខ្ញុំគិតមើលទៅមិនដឹងគាត់ចេញពីកោនណាមិនដឹងរឿងស្អីក៏ចេញទៅនៅតែម្នាក់ឯងទៅក៏វេទនាមួយយ៉ាងដែរគាត់ជីវិតគាត់ទៅគិតមើលទៅហើយខ្ញុំក៏មានពេលក៏អាចមូចូលក្នុងបន្ទប់មួយដែរទៅគេចំណន់ហ្នឹងគេធំគេចេញរៀនខ្លួនទៅជប៉ុននេះក៏កាយទៅគេមានបន្ទប់មានផ្ទះមានអីទៅហើយខ្ញុំក៏ចាប់ផ្ដើមអាណិតដែរធូនីបានប៉ុន្តែបានបុកពីរឿងកាស៊ីណូហ្នឹងបានថ្ងៃណាបាត់គាត់អញ្ចឹងទៅចង់ទៅរមមើលគាត់ទៅកាស៊ីណូទៅឃើញគាត់ហើយមិនដឹងល្មិចអញ្ចឹងបងហ្នឹងហើយហ្នឹងឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំក៏ចេះតាមគាត់ដែរទៅបាទឥឡូវឈប់ហើយកាស៊ីណូឈប់ហើយកាស៊ីណូទៅវាមិនឈ្នះមេទៅហើយនឹងប្រហែលណាពេលធូនីវាចាប់ដើមឈឺវាចាប់ដើមអីទៅដូចបងស្រីខ្ញុំក៏រៀបរាប់រួចអស់ហើយប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនិយាយជាមួយគាត់ដែរថាយើងជឿមិនដឹងធ្វើម៉េចទេធ្វើម៉េចធ្វើឲ្យទៅនៅតែស្រួលទៅថាកុំឲ្យឈឺយូរពេកហ្នឹងហើយទៅដូចឮថាចង់នៅឲ្យចប់ឆ្នាំឲ្យផុតឆ្នាំគិតគំនិតគាត់ផុតមែនផុតឆ្នាំទៅហ្នឹងហើយទៅបានទៅស្រួលធម្មតាទៅហ្នឹងហើយប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំហ្នឹងខ្ញុំអត់មានអីនិយាយទៀតទេប៉ុន្តែបងប្អូនបើយើងមានពេលវេលាដើរលេងជាមួយគ្នាខ្លះទៅប៉ុន្តែកុំឲ្យវាធូរលេងហ្នឹងហើយសូមអរគុណច្រើនហើយបានមកប៉ុន្តែអស់ប៉ុណ្ណេះហើយ
Hello everyone, thank you for coming to say goodbye to my brother one last time. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart and from the bottom of our family's heart. Thank you. So my siblings have talked a lot about my brother, his life and all of that. So I don't have a lot more to add except that to go on with my brother Aaron a little bit. He had a difficult life, but towards the end, I had the pleasure of spending a lot of time with him because he would come around, help fix the house. A lot of the stuff in our house, like the benches and the stuff outside, he pretty much made them all. So that's my way of remembering him. And so yeah, I miss him. As my sibling said in Cambodian, that he was precocious and smart, street smart, but he also had some challenging parts of his life as well. As we were refugees that came to America, didn't know a lot of English, so we kind of scattered a little bit. But at the end, I was glad to have him stay with us and to appreciate him a lot more. So that's all I have. My son is going to speak a little bit about him as well. Okay.
Hello everyone, family and friends. My phone's at like 20%, so I'll make this really fast. Whenever I think of my uncle, Tony, Bo, my first thought is sugarcane, because Bo, the Bo sugarcane. It's one of my favorite drinks because of its natural sweetness, but sugarcane is also sturdy, like bamboo, and sugarcane reminds me of him because he would fix the foundation of the house, and he would go into areas that would be detrimental to his health and probably influence his cancer. But my uncle is a hardworking man, and he carries himself with a gentle kindness that most people don't have. So let me take you back to 2025, early 2025, like February, March, April, I don't know. I wanted to try something new, become an honorary monk for a weekend to honor my grandma, and every step of the way, he was there. From helping me fix the 5, 6, 7 layers of orange robes wrapped around me, to talking to me at night in the room and laughing with me. It built a new sense of connection to him that I have never noticed before. So whenever I visit the temple, I will think of Tony. Inside the house that is my home, I will think of Tony. And whenever I think of sugarcane, I will think of Bo. Because through us, he is still alive. Thank you.
Good afternoon, morning. I want to say thank you to everyone that has took the time to come here to kind of, I wasn't prepared for this today. But you know what, I'm the baby, I'm the youngest, and everyone already said a piece of my brother, so I don't know what else to say. It'll be the same thing. Smart, young guy, never home, always at the casino. But when he does put his mind together, he could do anything in this world. The last part of his life was being a father and coming back to being a brother. And that's a short period of time that I was able to spend with him. But when you lose your parents, you know, you expected it at their age, but when you lose your brother, your siblings, it hits you hard because it's within your circle. So right now, I want to say thank you to everyone, but also whoever's out there who's not talking to each other, who have a grudge with each other, please put that to the side. Life is too short. Spend every moment together and cherish that moment. Time's gone by very fast. So I want to say thank you again for being here. And this is my daughter Rayleigh. She's gonna have a little bit to say about her home.
Hello everyone. Tony was a loving father, uncle, and an important part of our family, and I just wanted to say thank you for joining us today and celebrating his life. Some of my favorite memories are when my mom, dad, and I would take him out to eat with his daughter Mel. We would talk, laugh, and enjoy being together, usually over good food. During these times, he started to stop eating, but there was This one time, we took him out to eat his favorite, which was lobster. You know, he's probably looking down on us right now at the casino, eating his favorite lobster with OCC. And he said he wasn't hungry, but as soon as the food came, he was the first one to grab a lobster, obviously. The first one that served himself. That day, we were just happy to be together and that he was able to eat. Growing up, I remember seeing my uncle working in construction when I went to see houses with Omri. Watching him work showed me how hardworking he was and how much pride he took in what he did. My Uncle Tony will always be remembered for his humor, his work, and how strong he was, and the love he had for this family. I'm grateful for the memories we shared, and he will always hold a special place in my heart. Thank you everybody for coming.
សូមតបឲ្យតបតែថាខ្វាយមិនសឹងអើប៉ុន្តែខ្ញុំនិយាយខ្លះទៅបងប្អូនបើខ្ញុំមកលេងនៅប្រហែលឆ្នាំហើយពី90ពី80ប្រហែលឆ្នាំពីទូទួយមកតែបងប្អូនបងរីថាអូខេខ្ញុំមកដល់មកពីសានអូសេទៅដល់ក្នុងពេជ្រប្រហែលបើកឡានបើកឡានប្រហែល3ម៉ោងចឹងហើយមក8ម៉ោងហើយមកដល់ហើយយកបត្រាថាហើយខលទៅបងរីហើយខលទៅអ៊ំប្រុសអ៊ំប្តីលើកទូរស័ព្ទឡើងថាអូលើថាបើគាត់លើកទូរស័ព្ទមីងមកដល់ហើយចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំទៅយកហ៎ម៉ាក់គាត់និយាយអញមកដល់នេះនៅ Cherry Avenue នៅដល់ណាទៀតអូមីងចង់នៅហ្នឹងចាំខ្ញុំទៅយក so ដល់ទៅនិយាយទៅវិញទៅមកថាអូអត់អីទេចាំជុំនៅការ៉ាស់ប្រពន្ធពីហ្នឹងនៅ Exxon មានការ៉ាស់ហើយគាត់ឈប់នៅកន្លែងអូខេអញ្ចឹងចាំទៅមកជួបមីងមកតាអូខេអញ្ចឹងគាត់ខំតាបើយកបត្រាដល់មកជួបគ្រូសាស្ត្រខ្ញុំទៅមកដល់ទៅផ្ទះអ៊ំប្រុសអ៊ំស្រីហើយអូខេមកដល់នេះមកទៅដាក់ឯងយកគាត់ចាំដល់មកនេះដល់គាត់លើកហើយដល់នេះខ្ញុំមកជួបគាត់សប្បាយចិត្តហើយគាត់ខ្ញុំថាសប្បាយចិត្តដល់មកលេងតាំងពីហ្នឹងខ្ញុំពីអាយុប្រហែល10ឆ្នាំមិនទៅ10ឆ្នាំឯងប៉ុន្តែគាត់មកលេងហើយខ្ញុំមកលេងទៅមកលេងគាត់ហើយសប្បាយចិត្តអ៊ូអរជាមួយគ្នាហើយនិយាយជាមួយទៅចែកជាមួយគ្នាប៉ុន្តែសប្បាយខ្ញុំ but anyways I want to just go ahead and recap what I just said so in English I am very fortunate and you know as part of me it's very sad to know and hear the loss you know the last time I spoke with him was 8 years ago I mean, 8 months ago here, but I don't expect that to come back again. Anyways, what I was saying, we would always come to visit the family house every often, you know, like 4 or 5 times a year. Come over to the house. He would pick up the phone, and we would be driving. My parents would be driving, like, you know. So we start off like maybe 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and then up until you know, like sometimes stop breaks, and then when we get home, when we get to their house, it was like probably 10 or 11 o'clock. And he would answer the phone. My mom would call and say, you know, we was asking, and then he would pick the phone and said, Auntie, where are you at? You want me to pick you up? My mom would say, I'm over here. I don't know where it's at. It's so dark. Your uncle's driving. I don't know where it's at. Okay, why don't you stop at, Bongkun's Exxon garage, and we can pick you up and from there. It's okay. You just tell us where the address is, and we can go. We tried. Back then, there was no navigation, no GPS, so we're just like trying to go off of a regular map, right? Back in early 90s and such, right? Early 80s. So there wasn't anything much that we could use. So we were relying on the phone, and back then nobody had cell phone either. So we would have to call, stop by, a gas station and just like call, hey, where you guys at? You know, and so that was my biggest memory. And he would always pick up the phone and willing to come and meet us every step of the way, and even stop us to tell us, hey, stop over here, we'll pick you up. And even, you know, everybody was welcoming, so we appreciate that. Tony, may you rest in peace, brother. You know, I'm very, you know, saddened, but I know you're in a better place, so I hope that everybody understands. You know, I will be here for the family through hard times and to good times, so I want to share everything. And thank you very much, everybody.
I felt like I should say something. I have a couple things to say. Mr. Keel was always very caring to me. Whenever me and Melanie started dating, which was like 4 years ago, he will always take care of me like a fatherly figure. So I'll always appreciate that. I always thought that he was very smart, and I'm just like, that's probably where Melanie got her smartness from, to be honest. It made me feel kind of dumb. But he was very smart. He would always like fix stuff for other people, or for me, or for Melanie. And then he also brought his old AC unit to my house and installed an AC unit in my house. And I thought that was very, very loving, caring to me, and also to my mom. She was surprised that he did all that for us, even though he was in pain during those times with cancer. Good moments that I had with Mr. Keel was that he will always want to go watch like movies. So me and Melanie will always take him to the movies, whether it be like a Marvel movie or anything that he was interested in. And then after that, we'll have a dinner, and usually he'll pay for it. And I thought that was very nice of him. During the day before he passed, there's one thing that I wanted to say to him before he passed, but I didn't have the guts to say it. I wanted to promise him that. Well, first, I wanted to say that thank you for letting me date your beautiful daughter. And I want to promise you that I'll take care of her and treat her well. Thank you so much for everything.
No, they paid me 40 hours. And then I took another 40 hours.
You know,
Oh, thank you.
most people, that's not important. They can take off anytime.
You're supposed to surpass me.
I couldn't. The lockdown destroyed it.
You were supposed to surpass me, but you didn't. You're supposed to be the next Ryan Keel and lead the team for the next 4 years. I passed the torch to you and you failed. I told you I was the most athletic one in the entire family.
You didn't know me too.
I doubted it fine.
Hi. Yeah. Nice.
X-ray.
They still need X-ray.
X-ray.
All
More soda? That's your third one.
Okay, hey guys, we just finished with the first part of the funeral. It is now, can you see, 11:43. Everybody's taking a break eating. We're waiting for Loke to come. No, you don't need it. Let me show you guys around. Please go this way. This is Ryan. This is Brian. This is Blackie. And this is Jinu from K-pop Demon Hunters.
This is Mira from K-pop.
This is
Going live?
No, YouTube. This is Baby Saja.
Yeah, yes sir.
This is Baby Saja from K-pop Demon Hunters. Junu from K-pop Demon Hunters, and this is what's the manager's name?
Oh.
What's the manager from K-pop Demon Hunters?
Bobby.
This is Bobby from K-pop Demon Hunters.
លោកធំនេះកាយក្នុងថ្ងៃនេះហើយកម្មវិធីនេះមានដូចទៅមួយទៅអស់គ្នាក្រុមមានខាងពីពុទ្ធបរិស័ទក្រុមនមស្ការព្រះតនត្រ័យបីអានជីវវត្តនេះអានណាបន្តទៅនេះក៏បូជាការសូមបាតោបន្តទៅនេះសូមបងប្អូនយើងទាំងអស់គ្នាក្រោកចូលឡើងបីនមស្ការក្រុមមានខាងពីពុទ្ធបរិស័ទនោះគឺក្រោកចូលហើយបន្តពីនេះសូមបងប្អូនបានតែងអស់គ្នាដើម្បីរំលឹកខាងពីពុទ្ធសពធូបកែទាំងអស់គ្នាដូចតទៅសូមអរគុណសូមជឿគុណចូលហើយបន្តទៅនេះសូមបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាតាមចិត្តចេតនាដើម្បីនមស្ការព្រះរតនត្រ័យទាំងអស់គ្នាដូចតទៅឯកមេទាំង Ime di patupa tisakare pon tiang tom sang keng apipo chaya mimiata peta tinan kunawan tanang jamai hai jati karatang hai saya sokhaya tiom prekaruna Sam จะพ้นจังเมสังกาเรนะทิโพเทียมไม่สวาสมเจตบอลนั้นกรุ
You come on, con chira nó con chira bạn bảo con chira nó call bạn bảo we go stand here you should stand I know what they do stand right here okay stand up come back con chira na bạn thử bảo chi ngài con chira lục côជួយគ្រប់ថ្ងៃអរគុណច្រើនណាអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណច្រើនស្ទេចិត្តណាអរគុណច្រើនអូនចាអរគុណច្រើនលោកពូបានអញ្ជើញមកអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណច្រើនអូនបានមកអរគុណច្រើនមីងអរគុណច្រើនមីងអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណច្រើនមីងណាអរគុណច្រើនឲ្យបងញ៉ាំឆ្នាំសូមអរគុណច្រើនបានជើញមកចាអរគុណច្រើនអូនបានប្រងផងអូនផងអរគុណច្រើនលោកពូបានជើញមកអរគុណច្រើនអូនមួយអរគុណច្រើនបងអូនណាអរគុណច្រើន Thank you so much thank you so much thank you so much ណាបានជើញមកអរគុណច្រើនណាអូនបានជួយអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកជួយអរគុណច្រើនអ្នកប៊ីអរគុណច្រើនបានជួយអរគុណណាអូនបានជួយអរគុណខាងទីអរគុណច្រើនអរគុណបានជើងបងទី Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Uncle for everything. Thank you so much for coming. Uncle, thank you. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming.
Trong trường hợp này pha là đồ sẽ đó cái là này nè.
Ok, con chào.
I'm going to need 3 gentlemen on each side of the casket, but it is very tight, so I'm going to have the 3 gentlemen on each side, so maybe 2 lines. And family and friends, if we could please follow behind the casket. Thank you.
Wait,
not going to lift the casket, we are simply guiding the casket. We're going to do 3.
You go to the front.
Go in front of the monks. There you go.
They walk in a pair. I don't got a pair.
selfie?
No, this is for my channel. My channel.
Walk around it? Walk backwards. Okay, if I could have the pallbearers please come back to your positions, please. Gentlemen, we are not going to, family and friends, we're going to continue the service for a witness cremation. At this time, if I could have the family please wait here just for a quick moment. We're going to put the casket inside, and then I'll come back inside and everyone can please join us for the final witness cremation. Thank you so much. Immediate family only in here. Actually, if you can let me know who you want here. Okay, family, if I could have you guys please step back over here, please. Thank you. Yes. If I could have you come right here, Family and friends, we're going to listen to the instructions.
But they didn't know it
Okay. Oh, good. We're gonna be all done. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you.